Welcome to BA Zoology Program 2020. We are going to start our semester 2, and this semester will be headed by me. That is, this is botany lecture number 1. What we are going to do is the characteristics of family Brassicaceae, and you know this is an important angiospermic family, and you have read about it in your previous class, that is FSC, and you know that this is the family to which belong the most known plants. Let's start it. Brassicaceae was also termed as cruciferae, and this family got this name because of the presence of a cruciform cross-like corolla. This family is very well known to you because a lot of different vegetables that you don't like thoria, rye, phool gobi and mooli belongs to that family, and best of all, it is represented by the most important and known plant that is termed as mustard or sarson. Sarson ka saag, you people are very well aware of it. This is the representative family member of family Brassicaceae. Now coming to the other important features of the family, its life form is that plants are usually herbaceous, sometimes woody. The stems and leaves are alternate, simple or divided. Major leaves often in basal rosette. I will show you what do you mean by the basal rosette. And its perianth is consisting of 4 distinct sepals and petals. Petals have claws at base and form cross when fully open. I will show you both these diagrams, that what do we mean by claw and the cross when the flowers are totally open. The flowers are bisexual and mostly regular. Inflorescence typically a raceme. You people are aware of both these terms because while we were doing the important terms for the family, we studied both these terms. If you are still not aware, you can have a look at the old lectures and you will be understanding what does a raceme means and what do we mean by the flower is regular. The reproductive structures are consisting of 6 stamens, and it has got a superior ovary, and it has a capsule-like fruit that persists in central divider. Fruit is termed as the silicle or capsule. Have a look at this rosette arrangement. I told you that it's just like a rose, and this is termed as the rosette. The plant I'm showing you in this slide is called the Deoxys, and it is one of the important species of Deoxys, as you can see in the slide. Have a look at this. These are the 2 important structures. This is termed as the claw. It looks like a claw. The petals look like a claw. And this form is cruciform. It's just like an open cross. When the flowers are open, it looks like a cross. Look at this, an important crop, and this is an important plant, and I'm going to show you here. You can have a look around it and see this as the 4 petals. They are forming a cross-like structures. It is having the reproductive structures which are very obvious in the center, and we can see that this is a simple flower. That's why we study it in the beginning of our list of angiospermic families. There, see, this is more clear. Can you tell me what's the name of this plant? This is mooli, and it is termed as the Raphanus starvus. But a beautiful flower it has. Okay, let's move to a few more diagrams. This is a claw, this is cruciform, and this is the basal disc. This is termed as the gynophore. And look at the stamens. There are 4 plus 2. It's in a group of 4 plus 2. We are having 4 stamens that are forming the outer wall, and there are 2 stamens which are long and they are at the base of it. This is the fruit of the family, and this is termed as the silica. If I tell you what is this fruit named as, can anybody tell me? This is the Moongra. The fruit of the Brassica family is silica, and this is in our local language we call it Moongra. You have ever tried it? It's a good vegetable. Some people cook it and some people don't like it. So these are the silicas and the silicles. You can see they have got a bit of different arrangements. The silicals are less than twice as long as it wide. Can you have a look at it? They are comparatively more long, the silicas, and the silicals are more flattened. they are smaller in size and they are more large in width. So have a look at this plant. This is also representing all the characteristics of the family Brassicaceae, and this plant as well. This is Sapsilla bursa. This is very common weed all around in our lawns, and maybe when we will go outside I will show you it's growing all around in our college lawn as well. So these are all the representative members of the family, and you can see the common and the most obvious point about them is that they are having the open flowers, which flowers are having a cruciform, and their reproductive structures are very clearly visible. This is Sesembrium. I told you that I will show you the picture of the Sesembrium. The economic importance of this family is that it's a source of food. All the plants mentioned in the first slide are the source of food. That is, I told you, that is Brassica, sarso, thoria, mooli, radish. They are all belonging to the same family. We get a lot of edible oil from sarson. Sarson ka tel. We use it for a number of purposes. So this is also a member of this family, and we get the edible oil from there. It is a source of medicine. The garden cress, the Lepidum sativum, cures asthma and cough. It is also having the ornamental purposes. That is Mathiola incana, which is in English we name it as stalk, and Ibis amara, candy tuft, are decorative in purposes, and we use them for the decorative purposes. So that's the end of my lecture for today. I hope you are well aware of the family Brassicaceae now. We will perform the practical and we will see all these members or a number of these members in our lab. Good luck, Khuda Hafiz, and thank you.